Kua's house stands out from the other houses in its neighborhood due to its contemporary design and lush landscaping. The architecture in a specific city is mostly influenced by its location. The ancient capital of Vietnam, Hue, for example, continues to appear ancient despite the modernization of nearby cities. The area has a humid tropical climate and gets extremely hot in the summer while rainy in winter. To adapt to these conditions, most residential structures here still have an architectural form considered simple and old. Just a 10-minute drive from the city center, the owner has a quite large piece of land and wants to build a house different from the traditional ones in the neighborhood, where they can truly relax after a busy working day. Working on approximately 450 square meters of land, the architect chose to build the house with a total area of 180 square meters. The ground floor is only 80 square meters. The rest of the space was used for landscaping, a pool, and planted gardens. The ground floor is designed with the simplest form possible. It is a horizontal continuation from the fence wall, stretching across the horizontal land and dividing the garden into two parts. The front area is the entrance with parking, a pool, and an outdoor party area, and behind is a garden with vegetables and fruit trees. The design incorporates a solid hollow contrast. The ground floor is designed to be as open as possible, connecting the front and back landscapes and promoting natural elements and ventilation. The upper floor is arranged perpendicular to the ground floor and stretches along the land to have a view of both the front and back gardens. With the console structure extending 2.5 meters, the upper bedroom block becomes a large eave to cover the ground floor area. Eaves are extremely important elements in tropical architecture, as they help block intense sunlight and direct rain in winter from entering the house. As the living area of trees is decreasing, the Kua's House project aims to direct people towards nature by adding abundant green spaces to this home. As Vincent van Gogh once said, "If you truly love nature, you will find beauty everywhere."